Online tutoring, share your knowledge for profit. Online tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while also earning a profit. It is a flexible and rewarding career choice, and it is becoming increasingly popular as more and more people turn to online learning. If you're considering becoming an online tutor, here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Choose a subject that you are passionate about and have expertise in. This will make teaching more enjoyable and rewarding for you, and it will also make you a more effective tutor. 2. Identify your target audience. Who are you hoping to tutor? Once you know your target audience, you can tailor your teaching methods and materials to meet their needs. 3. Set your rates. How much do you want to charge per hour of tutoring? Consider your experience, expertise, and the rates of other tutors in your field. 4. Choose an online tutoring platform. There are many different online tutoring platforms available, so it is important to choose one that is a good fit for your needs. Consider factors such as the platform's features, fees, and student base. 5. Market your services. Once you are ready to start tutoring, you need to market your services to potential students. You can do this by creating a website or blog, listing your services on online directories, and promoting your services on social media. Here are some tips for being a successful online tutor. 1. Be prepared. Before each tutoring session, take the time to prepare your lessons and materials. This will help you to deliver a high-quality tutoring experience for your students. 2. Be organized. Keep track of your students' progress and create lesson plans for each session. This will help you to stay on track and ensure that your students are making progress. 3. Be patient and supportive. Online tutoring can be challenging for both tutors and students. It is important to be patient and supportive of your students and to help them to overcome any challenges they may be facing. 4. Be responsive. Communicate regularly with your students and their parents. This will help you to build relationships with your students and to stay on the same page. 5. Online tutoring can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, while also earning a profit. By following the tips above, you can become a successful online tutor and help your students to achieve their academic goals. Here are some additional tips for making money as an online tutor. 1. Offer specialized tutoring services. If you have expertise in a particular subject area or niche, such as AP Calculus or test prep for the LSAT, you can charge higher rates for your tutoring services. 2. Create and sell online tutoring courses. If you have developed a unique and effective teaching approach, you can create and sell online tutoring courses. This can be a great way to generate passive income. 3. Develop a referral network. Encourage your students to refer their friends and family to you for tutoring services. You can offer your students a discount or other incentive for referrals. 4. Market your services to businesses and organizations. Many businesses and organizations offer online tutoring benefits to their employees or members. You can market your services to these organizations to reach a new pool of potential students. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful online tutoring business and earn a good living.